Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is being safe and hope everybody's good. In this video, I am going to be doing about 3 hairstyles that has to do with these at the front. I literally practiced them a minute ago. I'm going to show you how I achieve these and all the other styles that I can do with these at the front of my hair. So if you want to see how that turns out, stay tuned. So what you're going to want to do in this hairstyle, you're going to want to get some clips. I use them for partitioning. I use it to partition my hair so I know how much block I'm going to be using for each section. So I already went ahead and did those just because I did it already and I just pulled them out. So it was just easier that way for me to do it. So you don't have to do it as small as I am, just make sure that they're not in the way of anyone else and you're just using what you have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that you can see me here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting. Strand twist. Twist it. Hold on. Twist it to the side and not to the front. Twist it to the front, it's gonna come out to your face and not to the back. So you're gonna twist it to the side, but maybe a little bit to the back. I don't know if I'm making sense, but twist it downwards this way, but pull your hair that way. That way when you're done and you're twisting it around, it goes to the back and not like hooked up at the front. You know what I'm trying to say here. So let me just get a little bit closer. This is what I'm doing. You're gonna do it as tight as you can. So while you twist, get to like a certain place, you're gonna pull it and then continue. Just keep going. You see, as I'm coming to the end of my hair, it has short pieces, so you can just try the best you can to just tuck that in once you get to the end, because I have 2 short pieces. So this one is already disappearing and this one is almost there. So that's what you can see. You're not seeing where it was. And even if you do see it after you're done, you can just spin around the twist and tuck it in, right? There you go. Not seeing that one either. Right. When you get to the end, let's turn sideways. You get to the end, you're gonna wanna start. I knot my ends just like this. I just twist around, kind of knotting it. But then you don't even have to twist so far. All you have to do is just make sure it doesn't come loose. So then what I do, oh my god, then what I do is I start twining it like this to get the shape. And then I manipulate it as I spin it around. So I just keep twisting and then I manipulate it. So I push it towards the back too as I go. And there it is. And you can go ahead and put an elastic band. Oh my god, where are you coming from? Okay, you can go ahead and put an elastic band over it if you want, but I don't normally do that. I don't like when my hair is too tight. It tends to pull out, so I just leave it just the way it is. And I have some hairs here that are really sensitive, so let me just get these back to their rightful place before I continue. the sun is on me. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing to all four. So this one I'm gonna twist this way, just like I did that one. Look at that. There you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and do these next two off camera, and then we'll get back to show you what it looks like. The sun is in my eyes too much. I love it, but it's in my eyes too much, so give me a second. Alright, so there we go. That's what happened with those. I love these. These are so cute. I went ahead and fixed these because they were a little bit more to the front, so I went ahead and fixed them. And so this is part one of the style. Just get to the side, you can see. Alright, let's do the next one. Alright, so what you're gonna need for this next one is a hair tie, whatever color you choose, so anyone. So I'm gonna go with black. None of these match me. Yes, it's not gonna even show us, so it doesn't matter. You're gonna bring your hair up into a bun. So that's that. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add some accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get some clips. Just do any accessory that you have, you can put it inside your bun, just to give it a little bit more vibe. Alright, comment below if you like this style, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so this next style is not that hard. You're just gonna undo this bun. It's not all of it, just get off one of the hair ties. And that's all. You're just gonna do that. Push it up to the top. You just shoot a bit, and there it is. That is the third very easy hairstyle that you can totally try on your locks if you have locks, or your straight hair if you have straight hair, or your natural hair if you have natural hair. It probably won't fall like this unless you have long natural hair, but yeah, that's all. And there are plenty of other hairstyles that you can do with this.
Hey guys, I totally forgot to make an end screen. So here is a collage of 3 hairstyles I did. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Click the notification bell so you get notified every week that I post. Bye guys!